Today unboxing is on the pair of Tomica TLV Ferrari Testarossa in black. It comes in two variants, the Ferrari Testarossa and also the second gen 512TR. And now let's take a closer look at the Ferrari 512TR in black. It comes with a generic TLV Ferrari box in matte finish and silver stamping, very minimal and premium design. You can see the keyline design for the 512TR and also opening rear cover. Comes with a standard bio card written in Japanese, similar to other Ferraris. Wow, very nice. I really like the Ferrari in high gloss black. It makes it look ultra premium and ultra sleek. This will definitely pass very well with the black F40 series. I think it's awesome. The design is exactly the trademark of Testarossa. Very beautiful. On the rear, you can see the Ferrari emblem and also the opening rear cover to reveal the interior compartment. Ultra detailed and very nice. But unlike the premium or the red box Tomica version, all this opening compartment is very loose and they don't hold well. I think it's because TLV wouldn't want to compromise the realism. And not forgetting the signature Ferrari star wheels. Overall, the 512TR will definitely pass very well with the red and yellow version. Although the black is my most favorite, this casting definitely stands out among the Ferrari collection. Next, the Ferrari Testarossa also comes along with a very standard Ferrari box for TLV, same line art with similar opening features, also include a standard bio card with two para in Japanese. Very nice. If I had to choose between the 512TR and the Testarossa, I will get the Testarossa because I think it's timeless, the design. It's very nice, very classic. Very happy that it comes along with a side mirror, so we do not have to install ourselves. Same opening rear cover to reveal the realistic interior compartment, and that's great. I like the premium, the headlight is not retractable, but I really like the interior with red seats. When compared side by side with the 512TR, both variants has a lot of difference on the front grille, interior difference as well. Definitely a variation on the wheel sets, and also a difference on the rear cover. Overall, this is yet another fantastic Ferrari from TLV, will pass very well with the black F40, and also the rest of the Ferrari collection. More TLV unboxing coming, and remember to subscribe to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing. You can refer to the link down in my comment section. Thanks everyone, bye!